Hey everyone. Um, in this video, I'll show you how to fix QuickBooks error codes step by step. Yeah, I know these errors can look really confusing at first, especially with all those numbers and messages popping up, but honestly, most of them are pretty easy to fix once you know the right process. So first, you want to check the exact error code showing on your screen. QuickBooks usually gives you a number, like 6000 series or something like H202. This part is important because each code points to a different issue, like file problems, network errors, or installation issues. Next, just close QuickBooks completely and restart your computer. I know it sounds simple, but it actually fixes a lot of temporary glitches and background issues that might be causing the error. After that, go ahead and download the QuickBooks Tool Hub. This is an official tool from Intuit, and it's designed to automatically fix most common problems. Once you open it, you'll see different sections for different types of issues. Now from there, choose the right tool based on your problem. For example, you can run Quick Fix My Program if QuickBooks is not opening properly, or use File Doctor if you're dealing with company file errors. These tools usually scan and repair things pretty quickly. Okay? If your error is related to network issues like H202, then make sure your internet connection is stable. Also, check that your firewall or antivirus isn't blocking QuickBooks in the background. And yeah, one more important thing, always keep QuickBooks updated to the latest version. Updates fix bugs and improve performance, so it can prevent a lot of these errors from happening again. So yeah, those are the most effective ways to fix QuickBooks error codes. In most cases, these steps should solve the problem without needing any advanced support. Hope this helped, and I'll see you in the next one.